Okay, if anyone can help me with this, I'd really appreciate it. Okay, let me tell you the problem I'm having with this thing. Okay, the problem is it's plugged in, it's on, and when I press the power button, nothing happens. But when turn it off and this 4-pin power supply, or pin for this 4-pin, yeah, basic power supply that's hooked up to the motherboard. If I unhook it, then I turn it back on, it kicks on. The hard drive kicks on, the fans, basically everything. But if I have it hooked up to a monitor, it doesn't display anything. But when I hook it, the 4-pin power supply back in, and I turn it on, nothing. No kick on, no nothing. So I don't know what to do. I've took everything apart, put it back together. No, nothing. If someone could help me with this. This is like an older, I think 80M Athlon. Not exactly sure, but your help is greatly appreciated. Thanks.